These are our Highland cows, native to Scotland. They are quite gentle and they also eat very poor forage. They're very self-reliant. We don't have to do a lot for them. They look after themselves and we hardly ever get them in. We never have to help with the calving or anything like that. They do it themselves. Very native. They just survive.
Z Land Cruiserjem smo se zapeljali kar v sredo pašnika, potem smo odprli prtljažnik in goveda nahranili s hrano. Pa ne s travo, ampak kar z briketi. Pa vendarle, s tem nekako želimo poudariti, da je Land Cruiser, čeprav je postal civiliziran avtomobil in se tudi po ovinkih pelje prav lahkotno in agilno, še vedno ostaja tisti pravi terenski avtomobil za vse tiste, ki ta avtomobil ne bodo uporabljali za to, da bodo paradirali po mestnih ulicah, ampak da ga bodo uporabljali, ker ga potrebujejo.